Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to sign PDF documents on any Samsung Galaxy smartphone. First, open the PDF document you wish to sign. You can usually do this directly from your file manager or a messaging app. Once open, look for an edit or pen icon, often found at the top or bottom of the screen. Tapping this icon will activate the editing tools, allowing you to prepare the document for your signature. This is the crucial first step to getting your document signed quickly and efficiently. Now that you're in editing mode, it's time to add your signature. Select the Draw or Pen tool. You can customize your pen by choosing a specific color, thickness, and style to match your preference. For precise signing, especially on smaller areas, zoom in on the document. Then, using your finger or an S Pen, carefully draw your signature directly onto the designated line or area. Take your time to ensure it looks exactly as you intend. Once your signature is perfectly placed, it's time to save your work. Look for a Save or Done button, typically located in the top right or bottom corner. Tapping this will finalize your signature within the document. After saving, you'll likely see options to share the signed PDF. You can easily send it via email, messaging applications, or even upload it to cloud storage. Remember to save it as a new file to keep the original unsigned version intact. While Samsung Notes is excellent, you might explore third-party PDF editor applications available on the Galaxy Store or Google Play Store for more advanced features. These apps often offer additional tools like text boxes, stamps, and more robust signature management. Always ensure your signature is clear and legible, especially for official or legal documents. Finally, before sending, take a moment to review the entire signed document one last time to confirm everything is correct and complete. This ensures professionalism and accuracy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.